I'm Milind Kamat from Raychem RPG, who is handling the supply chain for the division known as the EBU, which is the Engineering Business Unit. And we gone through this demand planning session from the trainers. And from the trainer name is Mark, and Shruti also, who is assisting with that. It was very good. We really got the insight that what we are doing right and what we are doing wrong, so we can correct ourselves. And going ahead, we know what are the measures to do it. It was very interactive session, 2 days. How we completed it, we ourselves don't know. But really one challenge they left on us, that if we really implement this, then how best we can come out of any issues regarding the demand planning. It will give a great pleasure to the organization as a whole, and also we will have a clarity about this, that how the training and the best training can be done on this. Thank you very much.
Thank you.